When? Captain? What should I do? Alright, everyone, it's recording.
Forking this one up, gentlemen.
Alright, here's the first open up of the throttle. Here we go.
I can't, it's a no wash.
Ah, who cares? Go!
Do them one day, come on.
Yeah.
All in good time, gents.
You got something to say?
You said
Don't touch the head.
There we go. Got him.
me, you
Got him.
bastard.
Don't touch the lens.
Shit, look at that house.
How do you zoom on this thing? Can you zoom?
Didn't even check my boat license.
Look at him, one-handed. Confidence. This is confidence. We're in good hands today. Very good hands.
Hope so.
Can't be
Can't be yet.
I am.
Forking it up, keep forking it up. Here we go. One, two, three. Go.
I'm recording. They're too chicken. I think we're going to have about 50 takes for this.
And this is the mind game.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Can they do it or not?
It's like a game show.
For $50,000, can they jump? Can they jump? What? I'll count you down.
Look at him. Concentration.
Look at the mind games going on up there.
A swan dive, Mick. A swan dive.
Look at the mind games. The feeling of anxiousness, stress.
Turn the engine off, Tony. If you can. Is that Simon?
Come on, Mike!
Wait till he gets out of the way. Oh my god.
Well done, boys!
You idiots. What was that? Your ass is red. Come to the back. What's wrong?
My balls.
Yeah, I'll get to that.
Engine's in neutral side.
It's more important to get good recording.
Fuck, that's beautiful. Fuck, man.
Well done.
The heroes. The Anzac heroes. What's wrong with your balls, Simon?
Yeah, fucking wax your chest and shit. My chest is fucked. Can't again.
Again, yeah. If you guys do it again, I'll do it again.
Again.
I'll do it
Let's go
again. Is it good?
Yeah. Awesome. Let's go.
Yeah, a glass of wine. Why not?
Play that first fucking
Yeah,
3
yeah.
seconds.
And you just go like, what the fuck? That's the thing, eh? The first thing.
Nah, you just gotta get faster. Ah. Man move. Let's go. Get up the front. Go for it, Tony. That's it. The wake's gonna hit them. There you go.
I'm just giving the kids some time to play in the water because
they're obviously in need and a bit restless after being on the boat the same day. So here they are, the big boys playing.
Just a good old boy, never mean it no harm. Beats all you never saw, been in trouble with the law since the day they was born. Straightening the curves, flattening the hills. Someday the mountain might get 'em, but the law never will. Making their way the only way they know how. That's just a little bit more than the law will allow. Just a good old boy, they wouldn't change if they could. Fighting the system like a true modern day Robin Hood.